Welcome to Code Pulse. In today's tutorial, I will walk you through the steps to install Windows Server 2022 on a virtual machine using VirtualBox. Running Windows Server 2022 in a virtualized environment is great for testing, learning, or running server-specific applications without altering your main system. By the end of this guide, you will have Windows Server 2022 up and running in VirtualBox, ready to explore its features. So, let's get started. So before that, we must download the required files to do this. So go to your browser. I'm just going to open my Mozilla Firefox. So type VirtualBox. As you can see, this will appear. Then click on the download. Okay, it's loading. So there are types of virtual platform packages. Right now, I'm using the Windows 11 OS on my main system, so I'm going to download the Windows host. So I'm going to click the Windows host, click download, and then it's already done downloading. So right now I'm going to download the Windows Server OS file. So let's type Windows Server 2022 ISO, and then this will show. Click on the first link in this, and then click the download the ISO. So before we can download, we must fill out the required forms. So right now we're going to fill out the required forms, okay? The required So after you filling out the required fill form, and then it will show you this. So please select your Windows Server to download. So we're going to choose the English, the United States, and the ISO download. So click in the 64-bit edition, so that it will download. So I have already downloaded the required files. So I'm not going to finish this download. I'm just going to cancel this. So right now I'm showing you what to download, what required if what required application should be downloaded. So right now, I'm going to go to my download folder, which is in this PC and in the downloads. As you can see, I already downloaded the VirtualBox and in the ISO file. So I'm going to start the node. I'm going to start the application of the VirtualBox. So click this and then click yes. So there's a wizard setup. Just click next, next. Just click yes, and click yes, and then click next, and then install. So this may take a few moments or several minutes. So just wait that it will finish downloading, or sorry, installing rather. So I'm just going to show it. So after installing, unclick the start and then click finish. In the desktop, it will show the Oracle VirtualBox. So I'm just going to drag this in here so that I can see where it is. And then I'm going to start this. Open the Oracle VirtualBox. So in here, this is the UI. So let's start. So go to tools, just click in the tools. Oh, sorry, it's loading. So after click the tools, click the new. So in here, so as you can see, there are drop down lists that you can fill out the forms, such as the name, or the hardware, and this. So the name, you can just choose any of the names. So I'm just going to type there Windows Server 2022. And then in the version, I'm going to click the version and then go find the Windows 2022 64-bit. So if there is no Windows 2022 64-bit, just choose the Windows 2019 64-bit because it will work either way. So I'm just going to choose the Windows 2022 64-bit. So for that, I'm going to choose the ISO image. So let's click in this and click other. For that, this is where my file is the ISO. So I'm going to choose this, click and click open. So just skip unattended installation. So just check this. You just skip that. Then go to the hardware, drop down list. So the base memory should be 4 gigabytes, which is 4096 MB. And the processors should be 4 gigabytes. Sorry, just should be 4 processors. Okay, so and the hard disk, just make sure it is choose the option create a virtual hard disk now, and then the hard disk, sorry, the size is 50 gigabytes. You can also upsize it like around 100 gigabytes, but right now I'm just going to use this 50 gigabyte because you can also, it is like the recommendation. So after that, let's click finish. So right now it will start. So choose the Windows Server 2022 and then click start. Let's wait for the virtual machine box to put up the Windows Server. Okay, just wait on it. So it's only 5 now. Let's just wait. Just click on this. So okay, let's click next and then install now. So you can see there are four options that we need to choose. Okay, so as you can see, each two has a different option. There's a desktop experience, and the other is doesn't have this desktop experience. So what it means in the desktop experience is that it has a GUI or a graphical user interface that we can just by clicking the button or just searching it instead of just in this part in this version we use the command prompt. So right now let's just choose the Windows Standard Evaluation Test Experience. Okay, click next. Then accept the license term. Then click next. Let's go to the custom because and then click our unallocated space. Then click next. And then let's wait for it to finish. Okay. It may take a while. So right now it will show this. What is that? So you can type the password. Just type with a mix of special case and numbers. Any password will do. As long as it has a specialized key or with numbers. Okay. So after I type the password, then click finish. So let's finalize. So so if we can type in here, just click in this input in the keyboard, then click the insert calculate, then type the password. Let's wait for it. So here it is. I'm just going to if this show, I'm just going to just click no for it. Okay. Yes. So there you go, guys. So this is the server manager of this Windows Server 2002. It's the desktop in here. So this is a server. This is the local server that you can create or server file and storage. So that's all, guys. So that's all on how you install the Windows Server 2022 into the virtual machine box, sorry, the virtual box. So thank you for watching this channel and please do leave a like, comment and share and see you in the next installation guide or programs. Thank you and goodbye.